Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a Modern Jive Intermediate Clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer with a Sabotage. So Sabotage is where the lady takes over the lead to change the move. The basic version looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what happened is it was all me leading up to here. I lead the spin, but now Karen takes over. She blocks me, so she's actually prepped me for a spin instead of taking the spin, so she's let that energy go. She generates a return spin for me. The lady could spin there or not, it's up to them. But then they're offering, guys are back in control, underneath, and then you get the return, and you're done. So let's do that slowly with numbers. We go man's left, lady's right, semicircle back, 2 hands, 1. In and flat, 2, send the lady out for the Wurlitzer prep, 3. We lead the spin, guys, so that right hand is going over to the right. The ladies turn in and block over the top with the right hand. Now from here, guys, you need to be pushing to the right to give the lady good tone, and she can lead us into a spin to our left. Ladies, if you're going to spin, you want to spin to your right. We come round, normal left to right catch, and we return the lady to balance everything up. So let's do that. 5, a 6, a Wurlitzer Sabotage. We go a back, flat, prep, block, spin, catch, return and back. Now of course we've taught a few Sabotage moves now. You sometimes, very rarely, get into a situation where the guy's leading and the lady cuts in, and the guy's leading afterwards and the lady cuts in, and she cuts in quite a lot. And you can hit a point where you start to lose any connection to the music because it's a bit too bitty. Under those circumstances, you can give the lady a hint that it was too much by doing what we call a counter sabotage. So what happens is you get the preparation. The lady goes, sabotage opportunity, block. She leads the spin. The guy can do exactly the same thing. There's loads of ways of doing it. The way I prefer is as the lady leads the spin, you roll over the top and block on the outside of her hand. So you're now fingers down the far side of the wrist, so you're not gripping. And then you just get back to where you were to start with. Let's go through that for a bit of fun. Here we go. Semicircle back 1, flat 2, prep 3, ladies block 4. Guys, we're going to come over the top with the hand as it gets taken over and block with the fingers down behind. 5. Return spin the lady 6 and catch 7. Let's try that. 5, a 6, counter sabotage. We go a back, flat, prep, block, block, spin and catch, and that's it. Don't get into the mistaken position of going, I block you, you block me, I block you, you block. That never ends well. Okay, hope you've had a good time. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and if you like and subscribe, we will be very happy. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.